There are a number of agenda items that have been selected by the Plenipotentiary Conference for this fourth World Policy Forum. Issues like IMT Advanced, Internet Governance, International Telecommunication Regulations, which is a very important one because it covers the issue of exchange rates between countries, which will have an impact on the global economics. But also, it is obvious that in times like this, you will also discuss the current financial crisis, and we have devoted the first day on a strategic global dialogue on this issue that will enable us to really find ways and means for our industry not only to help mitigate to mitigate the crisis, the financial crisis, but also to help other sectors as well. The World Policy Forum is an opportunity for leaders to engage into discussions and come up with recommendations and strategies on various issues, and that has worked in the past very well, and we hope to make good use of it this time as well in Lisbon. So, a real problem the G20 countries had in the last meeting discussed this matter and promised not to be going into protectionism, but unfortunately none of the countries did that, but because unfortunately in politics sometimes the vision can stop at the next election. So you can understand very well why some political leaders will turn into protectionism in looking at the national interest. But in this global financial crisis, we need to look at the global interest. And while we're talking about a globalized world, we need to have a globalized interest, and vision needs to be shared among member states. And that's again another reason why ITU can play a significant role. And this is the reason why I'm gathering the political leaders and industry leaders together in October this year during the World Telecom 2009 that will help us really find solutions and focus specifically on ICT sector